By generating our delivery notes and collection notes and then indicating whether they've been loaded or collected or subsequently delivered to the client, we're also assisting contracts to be aware of what's happening with the items on their contract. So if I was to go and look at a contract, we look at contract 104. So as well as being able to look at the production status of the item, and I can see that a particular item was dispatched on dispatch note number 34, I could go to my document register and then see all the dispatch and collection notes that have occurred against that job, and I can see whether they've been loaded or whether they've been collected and whether they've been delivered. So if we look at that delivery note 34, I can double click on it. I can then see the details on that. I also notice that no one's uploaded a signed copy of the delivery note as well. Now that could even be done at this point if I had it. So if we look at a collection note, click on it, see that it is a collection note, who it was collected by, when it was collected, and then we've got the signed collection note, so I can double click on that. And that will load the copy of the collection note to say it was collected and who collected it. I could print a copy of that, or I could download a copy of that as well. So if we go back to look at the contract we were looking at earlier video, and then go to our document register, we can see that we have a delivery, the two delivery notes that we generated. So I can look at this one that's been classed as loaded and delivered, so I can double click on it, see the items there. Again, double clicking on the uploaded copy, I can see that it was loaded, I can see who signed for the items and that they were received. Then also notice there's another delivery note there, but it's not been classed as loaded or delivered. I can just double click on that. I can see that it's 5 sheets of plywood that's required for temporary screening, and that's due to be delivered on the 5th of the 8th. So by keeping a track of all your delivery notes and indicating whether they've been dispatched, whether they've been received by the clients, we're assisting contracts to see how their job is progressing.